R is one of the leading programming languages for data science. And one of the most important parts of data science is data visualization. Great data viz can make the complex accessible. It can make the complicated intuitive. That's important because the insights that are derived through data science practices have a broad audience. You have business users, you have public stakeholders, educational users, and others. So one of R's most important packages for developing data visualizations is ggplot2. It's an important package because it offers great quality for data-driven graphics, it's proficient, and it's based on a methodology known as the grammar of graphics. Now, there are alternatives, of course. Now, outside of R, you have Tableau, you have Power BI, and others. These are great business intelligence tools. There's D3 if you're into browser-based data viz. And in R itself, probably the most used alternative to ggplot2 is R's base plotting graphics. It's hard to beat ggplot2 though. It offers a simple system for theming, it offers support for animation, and it offers a lot of extensions that have popped up over time that allow you to do all kinds of important things. And if you're using R and ggplot2 inside of Jupyter Notebooks, then reproducing your graphics is really just a breeze. Now, ultimately, ggplot2 is your friend. It allows for you to focus on things from a visual perspective versus just a programming one. That can really free you up to create data visualizations that tell the right story.